It is Dirt Bike Sunday. I got the boys doing 15 laps each way. And Zach's on the race 50 now. Brandon's on the 110. Now they are going to do 15 laps each way. Here comes Donovan on his 110. Look at that, look how good he's doing. Standing here on the back of the track already. Here comes Zach. Here's the hairpin turn right here. See how he walks the bike? Teaching him how to walk the bike around the hairpin turn. Here comes Brandon. I moved Brandon up on the 110. Walk the bike. Good job. Here comes Zach coming down in the hole. Very good. Very good. Comes Donovan around. So this is their second lap today. They're gonna do 15 laps each way. They're gonna get good at this. We're doing dirt bike training every day outside here now with customers. So the track is starting to take shape, and we're bringing in trash can fulls of clay to make the track harder and the berms bigger. And this track is just going to get better and better and better and better till we start doing 2 or 3 trainings every single day. But these boys, they got, I'm going to give them till they're 14 years old, and then they can do the dirt bike training. Yeah, it's hard in the sand. Look at that, priceless right there, 3 in a row, like trail riding. I hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. That's it, put on some goggles, I think. Got some dust going on here. Two-stroke right there. See you guys on the next video. Brap.